Join us here today with the M2 G87, and as you can see, that's nicely laid out in front of us. We've got the genuine M Performance titanium exhaust system. So I'm really keen to see what this sounds like, or hear what this sounds like. So as you can see, it's going to have the V configuration, which means it's going to be a slightly different diffuser to make work of those V configuration tailpipe tips. So this is a titanium system. You've then got steel link pipes. It's going to go a little bit further than just the rear axle part. It's going to extend a little bit further. But yeah, I'm really interested to see what this looks like. Have a look at how cool these look as well. Might need a little bit of wipe down because we've all been touching them, but this is a really nice coppery, bronzy finish for the exhaust tips. I think that's really neat. Looking forward to seeing those on the car. So we're going to give it a rev before, and then we're going to give it a rev after, and hopefully it's going to sound pretty fruity and nice afterwards. So we're going to get into that now. See you guys in a sec. So you join us here post installation. You can see obviously the new tips and the new exhaust is on, complementing it nicely with that carbon diffuser. I'm really impressed with the way this looks. Fitted really well, don't get me wrong, there's quite a bit involved in getting the diffuser and the various mounting bits in place, but it looks fantastic. So if you come and have a look at these tips, so this is a nice titanium, really smart, coppery, a little bit of burnt purple and blue. They look fantastic. But what's more is it sounds good. I've already heard this, you're going to hear this part in a minute, but really nice bit of kit, fits very well. So it's a genuine BMW part. It's nice and light as well. It's being titanium, it does lose a bit of weight. You can see the old original one in the back corner there, the spaceship of the great big muffler in the back. So enough of me chatting about it. You guys are now going to hear it. If you've liked this video so far, please just like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.